Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important for all of you now, because my brother, everybody knows this. To this time, my friend, Polygon were face down very badly. So therefore the holder asked me a question. A lot of holder asked, but especially message me on Instagram to what we will need to be safe from the loss, how we will earn money from crypto. So definitely I make everyday video, my friends, for you to update, to give you some advice, opinion, everything video, my friend. I will upload now. So if you, my friend, want to earn money in a crypto now, you will need to subscribe this channel. And second, my friend, you know, in those days, my friends, Polygon condition is very critical now. All crypto market is not comfortable, but this time I think Polygon were very badly face down, minus 3.62%. the price will decrease now. So why and what we will need to do to be safe from loss, my friends? This time Polygon were face down. The main reason which I found is that experts say, my friends, to upcoming time they will move upward, but when a short-term investor are hold, so definitely short-term investors starting selling. So therefore this coin will fail us down. Definitely I have a request from all of you, my friends, because I am also holder of Polygon. So therefore I cannot want to be lost, my friend. Therefore what I do, definitely if you do this, so I'm 100% sure you will never lost, my friends. I personally message on experts to what we will need to do, my friend. Just share your advice, my friend, for us, and share your opinion. So my brother, a lot of experts says, I think 60 to 70% experts says to hold now and wait for the end of month, and 30% experts says, my friends, to just only buy it to be safe from loss. But I think I also agree, my friends, from 70% holder, because you know, if you are hold in those days, so there is a chance, my brother, the price will pumps up in the end of month, because in those days every coin will moving upward. So therefore I think there is a 100% chance, my brothers, to Polygon will pumps up. So I have also one request from all of you to please hold now, otherwise they cannot give you a profit. If you start this, if you start selling in this time, so it's 100% marketing possible, they cannot give you a profit and they will completely lose, you know, you will completely lose. So be safe from the loss and get a profit. Please hold out and don't starting selling. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.